Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make quick and easy Roti Kirai or Roti Jala, however you name it. Now these are usually served with either chicken or beef curry. So let's get started you guys. Now we're gonna start by sifting through 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now the reason why I am sifting through the flour is just so that we prevent any lumps into our batter. Alright, so now we're gonna add in 1 1/2 cups of santan or coconut milk, followed by 1/2 cup of water. Now I chose to add in 1/2 cup of warm water just so that it makes the batter slightly easier for us to mix everything up together. Let's crack an egg in there. I'll start adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric is what is going to give some fragrance and a bright yellow color to our Roti Kirai or Roti Jala. Last but not least, 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Now to ensure that our batter is creamy, smooth and has no lumps, I'm going to blend everything up before we pour into our squeeze bottle. Alright, so here's how we're gonna do it. Just make circular motions around the non-stick frying pan and make sure you finish it in the center. And once it's evenly cooked, just take your spatula and take it out. Let's repeat that one more time. Circular motions around the non-stick frying pan and finish in the center. And once it's evenly cooked, just bring it out. So you guys, there are many ways on how you can have your Roti Kirai. You can either roll it or fold it. So right here, I'm just folding into half and half one more time. And that's how easy it is. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think. In my next video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy recipe on how to make some chicken curry so you can have it with your Roti Kirai. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy breezy recipes. Bye guys!